In this video, we're going to show you how to ensure shipments through Smart Upload. Go ahead and start by navigating up to the additional coverage options. Then click Submit Orders. From there, select the Smart Upload tab on the InsureShield online portal menu at the top. The first step is to create a file with key information about the shipments you would like to insure. The file must include the tracking number, transportation carrier, ship date, service level, insured value, consignee, address, city, state, zip code, and country for both the ship to and ship from location for each shipment. A template detailing all the required information can be downloaded by clicking on the Download Template button. While transportation carrier is a required field, our system can automatically detect many of the common carriers from the tracking numbers you provide. Once the file is ready, you will upload it and click Review. There are a few scenarios for how you will be asked to proceed based on how your file is configured. If you use the template exactly as is and there are no errors, you will just be asked to review the data, click Submit, and confirm you are ready to upload the file. Once you click Yes, you'll be brought to a page that confirms your file has been successfully uploaded and your shipments have been insured. If you're pulling this information from your shipping platform with field names that don't exactly match what is in our template, you'll be prompted to map the fields to what they are labeled as in our system. Once you've mapped the fields once, you're good to go for any uploads moving forward. Please note that if you're downloading the file directly from your system and it is not configured to have service level details, since this is a UPS Capital specific field, you will need to add this in before uploading your file. If a file is uploaded and there are errors in the data, you will be prompted to fix the information highlighted in red. You can fix the data directly within the tool by clicking the pencil icon, adding in the correct information, and clicking the Update button. Once the necessary information has been updated, you can click Submit and follow the remainder of the uploading process. Recent uploads can be viewed in the table on the home screen of the Smart Upload tab. Here you will be able to see information such as file name, the date the file was imported on, who it was imported by, and the import status.